Axie vastness cost most certainly equivalent to $9.0300 a coin, which in a real sense is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 8.97109.3193, or so they thought. The earlier day close, 9.2500, which in a real sense is very huge. The change explicitly was 0.2200, 2.38% in an extremely significant way. Backwards rate, USD to Axie, in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is very critical. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost $9.46, beautiful most extreme 10.12, exceptionally least 8.80, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie vastness figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $9.45, kind of greatest 10.11, kind of least 8.79, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $9.73, greatest 10.41, truly least 9.05, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness estimate on Friday, April 21, cost $9.94, truly most extreme 10.64, least 9.24 in a sort of significant way. In multi-week Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $9.85, sort of greatest 10.54, really least 9.16. Axie endlessness conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost $9.87, fundamentally most extreme 10.56, by and large least 9.18, which certainly is genuinely huge. Axie vastness cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $10.09, sort of most extreme 10.80, least 9.38, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Axie vastness estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost $10.05, essentially most extreme 10.75, sort of least 9.35 in an unpretentious way. Axie vastness cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $9.72, kind of most extreme 10.40, especially least 9.04 in a sort of huge manner. In about 14 days Axie vastness estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $10.00, most extreme 10.70, sort of least 9.30, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $9.78, by and large greatest 10.46, sort of least 9.10, which essentially is genuinely huge. Axie boundlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost $10.16, especially most extreme 10.87, really least 9.45 in a very enormous way. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $10.28, by and large most extreme 11.00, especially least 9.56 in an exceptionally huge way. Axie vastness figure on Friday, May 5, cost $10.28, most certainly greatest 11.00, all things considered, least 9.56 in a genuinely significant way. In 3 weeks Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $10.04, fundamentally greatest 10.74, truly least 9.34 in a very significant way. Axie vastness estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost $10.20, for the most part greatest 10.91 in every way that really matters, least 9.49 in a kind of significant way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $10.36, most extreme 11.09, all things considered, least 9.63 in a sort of significant way. Axie endlessness figure on Thursday, May 11, cost $10.06, sort of greatest 10.76, beautiful least 9.36 in an especially significant way. In about a month Axie boundlessness gauge on Monday, May 15, cost $10.65, by and large greatest 11.40, especially least 9.90 in an every way that really matters, enormous way. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $10.16, lovely greatest 10.87, genuinely least 9.45, or so they in a real sense thought. Axie limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $10.32, fundamentally greatest 11.04, genuinely least 9.60. USD to Axie conversion scale pretty equivalent to 0.1107 coins per $1, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Today, S reach 0.1073 minus 0.1115, or so they really thought. The past day, S nearby 0.1081, which is very critical. Change for now plus 0.0026 plus 2.41%, which certainly is very critical. Dollar to Axie vastness gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.106 coins. Essentially most extreme 0.114, certainly least 0.099 in an especially large way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness figure on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.103 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.110, lovely least 0.096, which explicitly is very huge. USD to Axie expectation on Friday, April 21, cost 0.101 coins. Genuinely most extreme 0.108. Genuinely least 0.094, which explicitly shows that change for now plus 0.0026 plus 2.41% in an unpretentious way. In multi-week dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Monday, April 24, cost 0.102 coins. For the most part greatest 0.109. Lovely least 0.095. Essentially further appearance how the past day, s nearby, 0.1081 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.099 coins. Lovely most extreme 0.107, especially least 0.093 in an unpretentious way. USD to Axie forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.100 coins. Really greatest 0.107, most certainly least 0.093, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Axie endlessness figure on Friday, April 28, cost 0.103 coins. Really most extreme 0.111, essentially least 0.096, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about 14 days USD to Axie expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 0.100 coins. By and large greatest 0.108, certainly least 0.093, which truly is very critical. Dollar to Axie boundlessness figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.102 coins. Beautiful most extreme 0.110, certainly least 0.096 incredibly. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.098 coins. Most extreme 0.106, genuinely least 0.092 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.097 coins. Most extreme 0.105, truly least 0.091, which certainly is very huge. USD to Axie forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 0.097 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.105, really least 0.091 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks dollar to Axie endlessness estimate on Monday, May 8, cost 0.100 coins. Essentially greatest 0.107, truly least 0.093 in a truly significant way. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.098 coins. Greatest 0.105, in every way that really matters, least 0.092. Dollar to Axie limitlessness figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.